Watch him. I hiding guy. Hey. Hey. Hey, go take them because them poopy up here. If start feed them little, what you call it? Little food I know. Little wet food. With the dry food that they love, you know, man. Hey. Oi, hey, I'm sorry. Step on your foot. Step on your... Come back, more wash out in the pen.
I look small.
This one looks small. Yeah, that. Cause the mother, Judah tell me say mother never feed them. She stop want to feed them, so I first start give them food, you know.
I'm gonna win them, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, nice one. For sure. I don't know. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Today's vlog is pretty much just an update vlog. As you know, coming back from any trip, any long trip, when you come back there's so much to do, whether you have to get back to work or there's chores that needs to be done, everything is just out of balance. But anyway, I checked on my bees just now. In terms of honey, I'm not like super impressed. There's honey in there, but it's not like but again, they're young bees. The hives are pretty much developing. What I'm happy about is that there are a lot of bees in there. The bees have grown a lot, so I'm very happy about that. Only one hive isn't doing so well. So I know that during the summer I'm going to be able to make some splits, meaning I'm going to be able to double the amount of hives that I have, which in future is going to always mean like a steadier supply of honey. So in that case, I'm super happy. There were some small stuff that I had to fix, like the car alarm key went out and Judah was like, oh, the key's not working. Like, it was a bunch of stuff that was happening while I wasn't here. Change the batteries in it, that's all I needed to do. And yeah, I'm gonna head back over to the house, show you guys the puppies really quick, feed them as well, and then Judah and I am gonna go to, what's that place called again? Tea Tree Creperie, grab some food, and yeah. So much to do, but I'll try to fill you guys in as much as I can in this vlog. Yeah, so just now I stopped down by the RADA farm office thing to pick up my farmer's card. Brother, everybody here got attitude. I kid you not, like, I'm not even up for it. So like, I was like, yo, I'm here to pick up a farmer's card. And then she was like, yo, where's your farm? So I was like, yo, all those stuff you should even already have in the system. It's better you ask me what is my name, like, who am I? That's the first thing, or ask me like, what's my farm, whatever. Because they have like extension officers or whatever. Anyway, so I was like, yo, you guys were, she started raising her voice like immediate. I was like, yo, you don't have to raise your voice. I was like, you know what, whatever. And I was called the extension officer just now, and she has my card. She lives close by to me, so she said she's gonna come here in a few minutes. But I was like, yo, I got stuff to do on the road, and she was like, yo, she'll drop it off because tomorrow I have to be here to do some pest management training thing, to learn about pest management for hives and stuff like that. But I'm back in Jamaica and I am feeling the hospitality. Alright, so I'm back with them. He's a bit aggressive to the puppy. Well, not aggressive like biting, but you see me. So that's, he doesn't like them playing with him. But they are getting used to me, which is good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other one's down there with the mother. She's tied up because she's not feeding them, so it's kind of pointless. And oh, look at this dude. Look at your, come here. Chin up. Cause you keep jumping over the fence. I'm sure that's what cut you back here, you know. Or is it a heat rash? I don't know. But yeah, I kind of have the females kind of tied up because I need to be able to feed them without them trying to get into the food and eat their food specifically and whatever. And that I'm gonna clean up really quick because in there is a mess. Now that I'm back, I'm gonna be able to, like, you know, feed them constantly because the mama wasn't, you know, going all out. The tails, I removed the tails myself and the tails look pretty perfect. To be quite honest, I love Rottweilers with the tails. It doesn't matter if they have the tail or not, but again, you know, some people want the tails removed and stuff. I use the elastic band method. I wasn't even showing you. I use the elastic band method, which is pretty much painless. Like, once you tie it, they're gonna make one quick yelp, like, and then that's that. They're gonna be good. Because pretty much when they're so young, the tail is Hey, chill, man. The tail is pretty much, it doesn't have any bones in there, so it's just like cartilage only. So, you know, after a while it goes numb and then it eventually dies and falls off. You know, like him, see? That's how they sell them. Another quick FYI, like Rottweilers they get sick like really quick, well, really easily. Usually they have a disease called parvo that's pretty much in the atmosphere. So usually you shouldn't really have them running around like this, but they need some exercise. I'm gonna clean out their little den and then allow them to go back in there. That one's over there is taking a deuce. Do your thing, bro. Do your thing. But I think my yard should pretty much be parvo free because there's no stray dogs running around and all my dogs have shots. They get constant checkups. Ooh, see, they're trying to suck on her titties and stuff, but she doesn't allow them to do it much. But I'm gradually weaning them, see? She's not allowing them to do that, so I'm gonna feed them right now.
Hey, hey. Hey, Snickums.
Yo, yeah, big man, I get play with. Move, big man.
Hey, Snickums. Hey, hey.
Are you a boy or a girl? Let's see. Girl. Are you a boy or a girl? Let's see. Girl. Boy. Anyway. So they've already started to figure out that I'm the food bringer. And now they're crying. Come. Alright, so I got the food ready. I'm gonna feed them right now. This guy thinks, yo, you're a big man now, man. You can go hunt your own. Alright. I'm gonna feed them now. This one too. So these three are in here eating. I'm gonna go get the other two. The other two are still, they were trying to suck on mama's breast, but she keep moving. Anyway, come on. Hey, just look at my little setup here where I have to use this old cooking stove type of tire thing to block off here. I just gotta laugh to myself because when I'm in, babes, them can't hear you crowing, you know. When I'm in the US, when I was in Mexico, like you can buy like the whole big old dog house for like little and nothing. Here, I guarantee you, if I was gonna buy like a house this big, it's gonna cost probably about like $40,000, like close to $400. So, but anyway, we're gonna keep doing it this way until. But they're eating, which is, you know, the good part. They're just a bit over 4 weeks, so now they are pretty much weaning. They can still suck titties, but normally the mom will let them off between 4 to 6 weeks. So, yeah, let them eat. Alright, so we're there still. Heading now to Tea Tree. There's Judah for people being like, where's Judah?
Hey guys.
You see me? Let's quickly go flip the Tea Tree. I lost my digital chip or whatever, so I'm trying to like get a replacement. Only possible I try run on the road and you see me? Alright, so we're in our spot right now at Tea Tree. Let's take a vibe. I don't know. I think if I'm getting French toast, I don't know. I think, you know. Them can't barely would see your face because it's so dark. Alright, so our cappuccinos have gotten here. Yo, funny thing to do is like, yo, should I put whipped cream on top of yours? Because in Jamaica, guys are funny like that. They're like, yo, I don't want to give up my thing. Cheesesteak for me. Bless up, bro. So I got the.
Can I get some ketchup, please? Ketchup. Can I get some ketchup, please? Thank you.
I got the cheesesteak crepe. Looks good. Yup. And Judah, what did you get?
I got a ham and cheese with jalapenos.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah.
When I smell food, she said, "Oh, don't smell food." But when she does it, it's okay. And when I smell my, when I smell my, no, I never sniff your food.
You have before.
Shall I? When she cook the food, I smell it. She goes like, "It's impolite."
It is.
I need to get the aroma.
Please.
Anyway, let's get it. The crepe is good. It's really good. I couldn't finish it. I'm gonna leave back some for later on. And think, yo, I kind of want to get me here pull out today. Yeah, but we'll go with the digital thing, get my chip change, and then yeah, can I get a bill, please? Yes, gracias. And yeah. All right, so welcome back. Welcome back to Jamaica. So pretty much $5,500 plus a $500 tip, so that's what, $6,000. Man, that's already what, 50 bucks? If I was in Mexico, I probably would have spent like what, 20 bucks or the most. I miss Mexico for that reason. But anyway, yeah, we got leftovers, so I'm gonna have like the other part for probably like my dinner or whatever the case is. And yeah, heading to Digicel right now. So we're there in Digicel right now, trying to get my chip and thing, you know what I mean? Right, man. She's shy, you know? You see her? She always go. Hey guys. Alright, so got my SIM card, so that's good. Back at the RADA office right now, trying to make sure that I can pick up my ID. Hopefully it got left here, I don't know. As expected, yo, like there's nothing nothing moves smoothly here. It's ridiculous. That's why a lot of people end up leaving Jamaica. Like so Judah got TGI for a quick set. When I got Chilitos?
Yeah.
Sure. They kind of want to go to barber. It's alright.
Why are you going to the barber?
Huh?
Why are you going to the barber?
It's alright, babes. Yeah,
okay, I thought so.
So she catch up me here. So I'm up a man bun.
You have a munch, bro. You got a munch.
I got a munch. Brand new day. I don't even know which part I'm in this vlog, but yeah. Judah here. He's late for my appointment.
You don't love me.
Pulling out my. Oh no, yeah, where are the babes?
I'm just a footnote in the story, you
and trimming the edges.
Every time the blood was leaking out of some poor bastard, you figured just as much ink flowed to building up the legend of Bobby Parker.
So Judah came through with the plug. She made Bobby fried chicken breast, plantains, rice, basmati, and corn. And she did it all in her sexy. Guys, so Judah said she's gonna get me curls and waves. End result, baby.
You gotta wet it up, wet it up now.
Wet it up.
Wet it up.
After me telling her, I was like, yo, you can't get curls without wetting your hair. It's like almost impossible. Yo, you know when you let your kids like playing your hair or something like that? Just to make them feel like they're a part of the squad? That's how I felt with Judah just now. But anyway, yeah, with something like this, it's gonna take a while before like all the curls start coming through. Cause she did detangle it, do a lot of detangling. She put oil in it and she also clipped the ends for me. But anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Even though tonight we're going to some go-karting thing. But remember 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.